We are in the United States of America in Oklahoma City, and today we are witnessing a driving competition. We are in Oklahoma City at the facilities of Village Travel, and behind this building, very good drivers are doing a precision test. Different drivers that is associated with UMA, the United Motorcoach Association, is today competing about being the best driver of 2025. So let's go and see how it goes and who will win the prize.
Hi, I'm Rachel Greeewell. I work at Eagle Christian Tours in Rome, Georgia. I am a motor coach operator, and I also am a social media person with the United Motor Coach Association here. I have been doing social media here for 3 years. Started making TikTok videos and Facebook videos for the motor coach life, and I'm loving every minute of it. They have put this course together, and it's a super tight course, lots of obstacles, but they're really fine-tuning the skills. They have a written test beforehand that they do, and then they come out here and perform several tight maneuvers. As you can see, the tennis balls, you've got the parallel parking, the alley docking, the offsets, backing, all of the obstacles you'll find out on the road. They're really fine-tuning it here. This is our MCI passing right here, and then we have a Prevost out there in the alley docking area. They're both brand new buses, both wonderful coaches. They're a great asset. They've been brought to here by MCI and Prevost. They brought these here to us as a sponsor. So thank you to everyone who has come together to make this happen. There are several motor coach companies that have they've sponsored some of their drivers. They paid to have them travel, have in hotels, and they bring them along, they enter them in, and only a few are selected. That was the horn. So only a few are selected. Many apply, some get in, some don't. Various companies will bring their own drivers here. Sometimes they have competitions at their home base first, and then sometimes they'll just volunteer who they think is the best. So right now, where we have to go through, you have to put your driver's side tires or your passenger side tires through the tennis balls. You have to get your front tire and your back two dualies through there. Then you have to swing it wide and kind of come through an S curve. As you can see the arrows, it points you to the right and to the left sharp. You have to make sure that your nose doesn't hit a cone. You have to make sure your back tires don't hit a cone. You get points taken off. If you have too many points taken off for one of the courses, you might fail that whole section. So it's section by section. I believe there's 6 different courses, and they'll grade you and they'll take points off if you have to pull up or back up. If you hit a tennis ball or a cone, there will be points taken away. And if you have too many taken off, you might just have a 0 for that one. We don't know who's going to win the competition yet. It'll be based on the score from the written exam, and then the scores out here, and then whoever has the highest score will be announced tonight at the UMA dinner tonight at the Celebration Expo, or the Celebration Dinner. We are here with the United Motor Coach Association here for the Expo of 2025 in Oklahoma City, and we're here to show you guys behind the scenes of all we do back here. I have had my CDL, my commercial driver's license, for 10 years now. I started out driving school buses, and I drove that for about 7 years. And it just did not pay enough money. School bus drivers don't make very much money. So I came to the tour bus industry. There was a tour bus company in my town, and I came and I checked them out, and it was a perfect fit. They are amazing to work for. They took care of me. They have helped me succeed in doing everything that I want to do. So really great company where I work at. I have a lot of downtime when I'm driving buses, so sometimes if I'm driving sports, I may have a few hours while my teams are playing, and I have so many ideas of things that have happened to me on the road, and I just started making funny videos about what I experience on the road and what things make me laugh, and sometimes the things that frustrate me and make me upset, I find a way to laugh about them so that I don't get so mad about them. And I just started posting them for myself, and I would share them to social media, and it took off like fire. Everyone started watching them, everyone started liking them, sharing them. I've had companies use them in their safety meetings. Everybody loves watching these videos, and it's amazing because I've inspired other motor coach operators to start making their own videos. So there's more people out there making videos similar to mine, but they're putting their own twist on it. They're putting their own spin on it. And it's really lifting up the motor coach industry, and we're just having a fun time with it. So, and I do get to meet a lot of young motor coach operators out here. There's some 20 and 30-year-olds that are doing an amazing job, and I really want to see more younger drivers coming into this industry and making a career out of it, and loving to travel, loving to drive, loving people. This industry is a great career option for younger drivers. So I want to show that example in what I do, and I want to inspire others to do what I do. So it's really nice to come out here and watch all of these drivers really honing their skills. They're out here learning more, doing more, and they're also in here together. They're teaming up together, they're helping each other out, they come together, and it's uplifting to see everyone come together from different companies, different areas, and just fine-tuning their skills and learning more and doing their jobs better. It's a great competition.
The drivers we are recognizing this evening undertook a written exam, followed by navigating a highly challenging course, proving their exceptional skills and dedication.
Our grand champion started driving this church bus 2 decades ago, has been a professional motor coach operator for 15 years. Please join me in congratulating Aaron Brookshire of Eagle Christian.
Congratulations with the big prize. Thank you so much for watching the video here today, and if you like what you see, click down here. The button is called subscribe, and then you will see all the future videos from us in Bussmagasinet. Until next time, drive safely. Have a great day.